7 ways I spend and live my life without working for money. Hey y'all, what's happening? I'm Resk Que, serial entrepreneur, brand strategist, investor, and a philanthropist. It's my hope that this video helps inspire you to take action now. No, I'm not here to impress you, but to impress upon you that it is all possible to elevate higher. So, let's get right into it. In this video, I'll explain 7 of my most exciting things I do for fun while earning a living. This is your life guide. By smashing the like, the love, the bell, and the thumbs up button gently, it helps YouTube's algorithm. It also helps my channel a lot. I'm really excited about my new channel. So seriously, do it. Just smash, smash, smash. Just gently, you know what I'm saying? If you are one of my real life acquaintances, you've been wondering or asking yourself, what does this guy really do? I can never seem to put my finger on him. Me neither. I can't put my finger on me. If you know me personally, you will know that I'm not one to be labeled or to be boxed in any container. Literally. Yep, try me. I will escape. Hopefully, with this new YouTube venture, I will put your mind at rest or at rest. By the way, how does these YouTubers do it? I really don't know. This has been a really challenging experience. Really. But I'm really excited getting used to it. I mean, running my various businesses, being heavily affected by COVID-19, and for my first time ever, putting my own hands on shooting, learning how to edit Final Cut in Final Cut Pro, and after several hours and finally putting it out, instead of my usual way of my employees simply just me directing and specifying and telling them exactly how I want it and what I want and whatnot. This has been very, exciting, but challenging nonetheless. Really, kudos to all these YouTubers who's been putting videos out every single day. Some of them multiple times a day. Anyways, I digress. So now you two may be wondering, who is this dude? What does he do? And what's that thing on his head? Well, first of all, it's called a turban, and it's my crown. More about that as you get to know me better. It's called a turban. Yeah. Well, wonder no more. With every single video and time spent together, I'll let you into my world of ever-growing empire and portfolios of life-living passions and my investments. And oh yeah, my concepts too. People usually meet me or see me for the first time and ask, what do you do? And my swift question to answer their question is, what don't I do? Well, for many years now, since finding, defining, and refining myself through my religion of swaggerism, I have never looked back. Nor have I ever worked for money. Money works for me while I enjoy life in the lights of helping people achieve what they want and yearn in life. So here are a few of the areas that I indulge in. Serious entrepreneur, serial entrepreneur. Currently, I run a multimedia marketing and branding services firm, and also consulting and helping creative entrepreneurs and people striving for more in life to start, develop, and build their businesses and their brands to a profitable and scalable business. Secondly, I help ordinary people like you who are seeking to do better in life or who's come to the realization of the importance of their intellectual property, IP, as a life guide or a life coach. I help clients like you put things into perspective or reevaluate your life decisions in all areas of your life. Really, nothing intimidating, just having a conversation and putting things into perspective, helping you, inspiring you to elevate high. I mean, I'm just the type of person who loves to have a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun doing what I do. It doesn't seem like work. In fact, it is not work. I do what I do and I just get paid for it. It's that simple. You have to in life decide and find what it is that you're really passionate about. I love people. I work with people every single day. What I do, whether it's online or meeting people, for the most part, it doesn't seem like I have a job, but I get paid for just doing what I love. It's amazing. It truly is. Sometimes you may see me at a restaurant, in a club, chilling, having fun. I'm most probably with my client. We're having fun, but I'm being paid to have a conversation and help her put things or him put things in perspective. It's really exciting. I mean, it really doesn't feel like work. And I've come a long way in building and doing what I do. And I think everybody could do it once you get to find, define, and refine yourself. Number three, I creatively develop and direct fashion, working in the forefront of the most exciting industry, fashion. It's an industry that affects everyone's life, directly or indirectly. Working behind the scenes, producing fashion week shows, training some of your supermodels, and guiding fashion professionals and designers on their path to successfully elevate their brands. As you can imagine, our world of fashion weeks here in New York, Paris to Milan are imperial, drastically affected during this pandemic. We're all scrambling, trying to figure out what to do to overcome this hurdle of social distancing, as this is not in our way or in our nature as fashionistas or fashionistas. If you've ever been to any of our shows, you already know. I cannot imagine how things will get back together and how things will normalize. Knowing fashion weeks and fashion events are usually very exciting with a lot of people. It's going to be an interesting scene. I'm looking forward to that, where all of this will be over with. I truly cannot wait for us to get back to the norm of things. I miss the parties. I miss having fun. Oh, and our fashion shows, the fashion parties, oh my gosh. I can't wait. I really can't. Oh, what is this? Oh my God, I, I can't breathe. What is going on? What kind of world is this? Can we really get used to this? Oh my gosh. Can you imagine the next fashion shows, the fashion week, and all the kind of events, and we all dress up like this? Goodness gracious. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. I can't breathe. Oh, that's crazy. Can you believe this? How can we get used to this? Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. What a world. I also have several e-commerce businesses, mainly developing new products, brands, sourcing and producing products from China, India, Africa, and other parts of the world that people or consumers love to buy. My fifth business has been ongoing for several years now, and it's been the media and information business. I own and run various blogs and multiple news sites in niche market in various niche markets. Yeah, in various niche markets. Hiring, working with aspiring writers and prolific writers and journalists that provides us with informative news and content. Ad revenues being our incentive. My sixth venture has been investing, renting and buying properties to re-rent, be it Airbnb or leasing, has become my ever-growing passion, and I'm really excited about this area. While I'm still considered a newbie, I'm really constantly learning and will be scaling into different markets in the real estate, buying, and developing. Stock investing is another. Be it single stocks like Tesla, Apple, or index investing like ETF or S&P 500, where my money is well diversified into buying and owning and holding a piece of multiple and well-performing companies while enjoying the residual income they drip like honey. Mm, mm, mm. Sweet honey. Yep, you know what I mean. That residual income. While there are many more things I would love to put on this list, the seventh will be my final on this list. And yes, this is my true passion, philanthropy. My philanthropic venture have been the most rewarding in fulfilling my God's given purpose in life. This is fused or mixed with my philosophies, a movement to a religion I pioneered called swaggerism. More about that in a different video. Since the beginning of time on this earth, as far as I can remember, I have always been interested in helping, giving, and being an agent of change, bringing solutions to the table. My birthdays have always been celebrated as a charity in the smallest or in grand style.
What we are doing, what you're witnessing here, is us dedicating our birthday. Dedicating our birthday for a cause. Dedicating our birthday for something that's more greater than us.
Since officially starting our charity organization and campaign for humanity, focusing on women and children, basic essentials such as water and healthcare, specifically eye healthcare in various destitute countries around the world, it's become the most fulfilling and seems as though I have just started living my true meaning of life. I look forward to exploring each and every of these in a separate video. Oh yeah, been working on a Netflix project coming up soon. Coming up. So now here I am, a YouTuber. Ha! I'm creating content and all my own production, one-man production. Can you believe this? Crazy. I'm used to just directing and telling people what to do, this and that. This is how I like it as a creative director. But time changed. And one thing I've learned in all of this is when you don't depend on anyone, things move faster because you're fully in control. And I'm really enjoying this new adventure, and I'm looking forward to more. What's your concept? Big effing deal. Well, folks, that's about it for now. I'm really appreciative of your time. Thank you. I hope you can smash the like button, show some love. It helps the algorithm, and of course, it helps my channel, my new channel, that I'm really excited to making more and more and more and more videos. So why don't you join this journey with me? Let's have some fun while we make a living, all at the same time. I'm Resk Que, and this is your life guide. I truly cannot wait for us to get back to the norm of things. I miss the parties. I miss having fun. Oh, and our fashion shows, the fashion parties, oh my gosh. I can't wait. I really can't. Okay. Here we go. Go. All right, so what we got today? Okay. I'm Resk Que. This is your life guide. This is your life guide. Hey y'all, what's happening? I'm Resk Que.